Yeah, what up, Puff gang? What up, y'all? Here I go with me some American sub. American sub. Subway. I went to Subway and got me a steak sandwich. I would say steak and cheese, but I ain't getting no cheese on it. So we just got a steak sandwich with double meat, some spinach, some onions, some cucumbers, spinach, onions, cucumbers, and some bell peppers and some hot peppers, jalapenos, a lot of jalapenos, and vinegar and oil. That's how I eat my sub sandwich, my sub steak sandwich. I can't wait to get to Milwaukee to do a Cousins. I love Cousin steak. But anyway, I'm gonna say grace and I'm gonna eat, y'all. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive in Jesus' name. I pray. Amen. I want to do a Cousins again. Man, I missed that sandwich. Mm. Mm. I was sitting here watching I Love New York. I know y'all remember that. That's an old show too. And they were showing they all rerun, but they were showing it on all the reruns on VH1. I don't know why, but very strong. Mm. Went to bed hungry last night because that show didn't go and give me nothing else to eat. Even though I was still hungry. And when I was here, hold on, y'all. Oh, my bad. I hate when food get caught in my mouth. But like I was saying, cause somebody was talking about I was judging Michael Jackson. I never said Michael was guilty of nothing. I just said I wouldn't let my kid go by no grown man house. I don't care how much money he got. That's all I said. I don't know what happened in that house. I wasn't there. The same way I don't know what happened in Kelly case. Ain't got nothing to do with me or Bill Cosby. I'm not saying nobody guilty because I don't know. And I ain't saying nobody innocent. I don't know. It ain't none of my business. I don't know what nobody is. But I never said Michael was guilty of anything. I know they found him not guilty. I didn't say that he was guilty of nothing. I don't know why people take what I say the wrong way, but whatever. Like I'm trying to judge somebody. I ain't nobody judge. I'm trying to be. Do what you want to do in your life. Whatever you do, you got to answer for that, not me. It's your life. I just wanted to clear that up because I wasn't calling nobody saying nobody guilty, but anyway. everybody's doing on this Thursday. It is Thursday, ain't it? Yeah, I did tacos on Tuesday. It's Thursday. Weekend coming up again. These days be going by quick, real quick. Anyway, hope everybody doing good out there. Thursday, having a good time. What y'all call it? Hump Thursday or Hump Back Day? I don't know what it's called. I know on Facebook they got Hump Wednesday or it's one of the days, Wednesday or Thursday. Girls be showing they hump, I guess. Well, that's what I see when I go to my YouTube. I meant Facebook, y'all. My bad. I said YouTube. I meant Facebook. I don't know because I don't know. So. Hey, have. I have to get me some toothpicks. I eat once a day now, y'all. I cook, I walk 2.4 miles for a Subway sandwich and walk back. No, it was 1.2 there and 1.2 back. Yeah, so that's 2.4. And I walked earlier around here. So I've been getting a good walk out here. I'm gonna say, but walking. Being in no gym. I don't think it's safe to go and work out at like Planet Fitness yet. I don't know. I don't think it'll ever be safe to go back in these places again. I hope basketball come back soon. Well, if it do come back, I don't know how they gonna do that. I missed the whole season of basketball. The championship game was supposed to be last Sunday on Father's Day. If it would have been going on. I'm gonna see if football start on time. Cause America love their football. I don't know what. I don't know how they'll do that with the big stadium, have people all around each other. That ain't gonna be safe either. When people sick, you gonna have to start getting tested before you walk in the building. In a minute. You feel me? Basketball. Or a fever. now think I really got the coronavirus. Just if you catch a fever, it could just be a regular fever. I don't know. Mean it gotta be necessary coronavirus. Like I know if you sneeze or cough, people look at you like you crazy. And I sneeze sometimes. I don't sneeze a lot. Sometimes just be allergies though. Make you sneeze. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. Said not the pig. I say I chew and smack like be love. Y'all think I be smacking like be love? I don't think I be smacking. I don't hear myself smacking. People say I do though. That was good. I can't no foot long though. Okay, y'all. Woo! That's it. That sound was good. Drinking some lemonade, y'all. Some ice cold sweet lemonade. Which ain't good for you, but hey. It is what it is. I got some shout outs to give. A shout out to Adrian. Both wanted the birthday. Oh, that's this one. Yep. Shout out to Adrian. Or Arena. No, I think it's Adrian. It's Adriana, y'all. And shout out to Kendrick FN. They got a YouTube channel. Go check them out. Go check them out on YouTube, y'all. Like Shout out to Triple Platinum Auto Sales in Sacramento, California. Sacramento, CA. Black owned place. A black owned car lot, y'all. Shout out to Wendy Melendez. Shout out to her too. She just she said she just lost her brother or sister, one of her siblings. But yes, I'm sorry to hear that, and I keep you in my prayer. But that's all the shout outs I had, y'all. And I guess that's it for this video. How many minutes I done did? I guess, yeah, that's it. 15 minutes. I'm done eating. And I ain't got much to talk about today, y'all. So I'm sit back here, watch some TV, I guess. I can't wait till the shot come out, y'all. Gotta wait every Sunday for that, but it'll be back. But anyway, y'all share, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll catch y'all with another video tomorrow. And y'all be safe out there. Be safe, stay blessed, y'all. Peace. Till tomorrow.